Right, welcome back to the channel. So I'm in a 2019 MGGS and the ABS light is coming along with TPMS fail, traction fail, a load of warnings on the dash, and I'm going to show you the cause and hopefully fix it. So I'll spin you around, I'll show you what it's doing. There we go, that's what's happening. It's usually caused by one of the wheel speed sensors. So let's get it in, find out which one it is and fix it. There we go. Left rear wheel speed sensor. Right, there is the wheel speed sensor and it plugs in just up here. Get that out of there. And we'll prise the clips out of the upper suspension arm then. Undo the one bolt, pair of pliers and wiggle him out. And there we go, he's out. Right, if I check the resistance of this sensor, it's open circuit. No matter what range I select, we're on 20 meg ohms now and it's still open circuit. Down to 200 ohms open circuit. And it's just, I've got a new one here, so we'll measure the resistance of that and see what it should be. So there we go, it's actually got a reading whereas the other one didn't have. Let's chuck him in and see what happens. Before I fit this new sensor, I need to clean all that rust out of the hull, otherwise the new sensor is not going to go fully home. I need a battery. Right, new battery. Okay, so the hole is clean now. There's not a lot of room here to film and do it, but we'll try my best here. Let's just make sure that should be a nice fit in there now. It's got like, let me pull it back out. It's got like ribs on the side, look, which grip in the hole. Right, let's yeah, he's gone all the way in. Right, we'll nip that up in a minute. Right, I'll clip that into there. and that one insert there, and then plug that. Is that in? Yeah, that's it, he's all the way in. Okay, just got to do up the bolt now, and then we'll clear the fault codes and give them a run up the road. Right, let's clear the fault codes. There we go, fault code is cleared. We go back to vehicle scan, and I'll just erase the rest of them. I've also set the tyre pressures as well, because the tyre pressure monitoring on these works off the ABS. So, have I just hit... Did I hit clear? Yeah. The tyre pressure monitoring on these works on the ABS. So I need to reset that, which means I've had to do the tyre pressures. And it's 34 PSI on these. Nope, just wait for them to clear, and then I'll show you how to reset the TPMS. Alright, they've all cleared except 2 codes in the BCM. What are they? Nothing to do with what the car came in for, but I wouldn't have thought. Lost communication with base station. No idea. We'll just clear that. There's no codes in any of the others. And he's gone. Right, okay. Let's come out of here now. And reset the TPMS, and then we'll give him a drive. Okay, to reset the TPMS, handbrake must be on. Using the button on the end of the stalk, press it till you get to this, and then use the twist to get to the menu. TPMS reset, you can see that on there. Okay, and then press the button, and then it comes up TPMS reset OK, and then scroll down again using the twisty bit to escape, press the button, and you're back to that screen. So that's the TPMS reset. Right, let's give them a drive and see how it behaves. So there we are, just come back off a drive of a couple of miles, and no warning lights on. Right, and that's me done. Nice, quick and easy job. Right, take care of yourselves. I'll see you next time. All the best.